Hey guys, my name is Masud. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you around our latest rental property. It's about 10 minutes walk from our first one that we did. Very convenient, located in Old Swan Liverpool. The 2-bed mid-terrace, we found it direct to vendor and we've just refurbished it. I'm just going to take you around and talk you through all the finishings. Let's go. So, as you come inside, we've got brand new paint on all the walls, painted it all white. We've got new laminate flooring, we've got chrome finishes in all the sockets. Again, these are things that tenants really love and it gives them a chance to put their own touch on it. So, let's take you around to the kitchen. As you come into the kitchen, as you can see, we've got a brand new kitchen. We've got it from Howden's, got a really nice discount on it. We've got vinyl flooring on the floor, a little bit different from the lounge. Laminate flooring, I think, was a little bit more long-lasting, and as you can imagine, in the lounge, people are going to be walking up and down all the time, compared with the kitchen and the bathroom, which is just there. So, this is the bathroom. Change up the tiles, put a new wash basin and shower unit, yeah. So, I'll take you around upstairs. As you come upstairs, we've got new carpets on all the floors, on all the stairs and both rooms upstairs. Again, very different to your typical landlord underlay. We went for something a little bit more sort of bouncy, an extra. This gives it more of a high quality finish and allows tenants to feel like they're more at home instead of a rental property. So let's take you around to the other bedroom. In the second bedroom is where the boiler is located. Previously, the old boiler was a little bit old and worn down, so we decided to put in a new boiler and some new radiators as well. Apart from that, the house is pretty much finished to a good standards. So this one's pretty much ready and good to go. Will be a nice addition to our sort of rental portfolio. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave us your thoughts down below, and if you ever want to get involved, please feel free to get in touch. Apart from that, make sure you leave this one a like, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.